What is up, everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can earn hundreds of dollars per day selling free products that aren't even yours. And I know that sounds weird, but I'm gonna explain it all as always, and it will make perfect sense by the end of this video. Stay tuned. All right, what is up, everyone? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make hundreds of dollars per day using Instagram and ClickBank free plus shipping products that you don't actually own, right? And so the trick and the strategy that we're gonna be using in this video is actually taking advantage of products that people already wanna buy, especially when you don't have to do any of the work yourself. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to find products that are already proven, products that are already selling, products that already have a very high conversion rate, and then how to actually sell them with zero cost to you, and again, from anywhere in the world, using the power of Instagram, leveraging things that are actually already working on Instagram too. So I'm gonna show you all of that, and let's just get right into it. But really quickly, guys, if you do like money and you're new to the channel, make sure you tap the little subscribe button right there. If you don't like money, you don't have to press it, but if you do like money, make sure you press the subscribe button, because we go over the best strategies anywhere in the world about how to make money, even if you're a complete beginner with no experience and zero money to start. So hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's actually jump into my computer really quick. So we are on clickbank.com right now, which is one of, if not the biggest single affiliate platform in the entire world. They've done, I believe, over $3 billion with a B dollars of information products. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come into the marketplace right there, and we're gonna type in free plus shipping right into the find products. And what we're gonna see is we can see products that actually have free plus shipping, but the problem is they sort these products by keyword relevance instead of by popularity, right? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to popularity, and we're gonna actually look for some stuff that has relatively cheap cost per sales, because what we're gonna be taking advantage of in this video is actual buyer impulses. And what I mean by that is people will make impulse buys if they just like the look of something, right? If it has a highly converted, well-designed web page, and it's something that they're interested in. And so we're gonna show you in this video how to find people who are gonna be guaranteed to be interested in these proven products and take advantage of that and start earning a ton of money completely for free. So what we wanna be aware of is on Instagram, right, there's a very different target demographic than there are on other platforms. Instagram tends to be younger, and people tend to be mostly interested in fashion, fitness, and things like that, right? Which is why all the Instagram models get famous and become influencers and end up making most of their money through affiliate marketing, like we're about to show you right now. So what we want to find is something that we know people are interested in on Instagram, right? We don't have to go reinvent anything. We just want to take advantage of things that already exist. So on Instagram, something that's very, very popular is anything to do with fitness, right? Yoga is extremely popular on Instagram as well. So let's actually take a look at Yoga Burn. Oops, we just click mobile. Let's take a look at Yoga Burn. Let's take a look at Unlock Your Glutes, right? This is probably a good one because, you know, it has to do with fitness. All right, so let's take a look at these two. So Yoga Burn, help women get lighter, healthier, and happier. One yoga strategy to a fast metabolism, right? And so basically what this is it looks like a yoga workout program, right? So this actually might be really interesting to take a look at, because we can look at people who are both interested in fitness and yoga, and when you can have two different things that people are interested in, that gives you an even more targeted market, which means they're gonna be much more likely to actually buy whatever the product is. And let's take a look at the actual other one right here, which is Unlock Your Glutes. Unlock the sleeping giant within. This kind of sounds like Tony Robbins. For men and women who are looking to get a rounder, firmer, stronger butt, right? And so, you know, a lot of people are actually very concerned with this. Like you and me might be, you know, men that aren't particularly concerned with getting our butt bigger, but that does not mean that there's not millions of women on Instagram, and probably a ton of men as well, who are interested in improving the size and shape of their glutes, right? And so these products, the reason that we chose them is because they're actually, they're sorted by popularity, right? So when we look at Yoga Burn right here, we can see that it has a gravity score of almost 50. And basically what a gravity score means is there's a lot of different affiliates who are all getting some sales. So you know that this particular product is already selling significantly well. And if we come down and actually look at the Unlock Your Glutes, we see that this one has a gravity score of 62, right? So it's even better, which means that there's even a larger pool of affiliates who are getting at least some sales, meaning that this product is already converting, right? So let's actually just go ahead and choose the Unlock Your Glutes, because it has a higher higher gravity score, which we can see right here. And we're gonna make $18 every single time we actually get one of these sales, right? And so what we're gonna see here is, dear friend, I'm not gonna pull any punches, right? It's talking about, it's basically a big sales letter for how to actually increase your glutes with like social proof, showing a lot of women's results and things like this. You know, they know their target market. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom of this, we can see for a very limited time, you can receive $33 off, unlock your glutes. Regular price is $50. Today's price is only $17, right? Instant access to the digital version only, which I think most people are probably going to buy, the $17 one versus $27. The thing I didn't really like about the yoga offer was it looked like it was only an actual DVD option, which just, you know, with today's instant gratification mentality when everyone's using social media and they always, you know, need whatever they need right now, I always like having an instant buy option. $17 is a very, very low barrier to entry. People will make $17 purchases on a buyer impulse all day, every day. And the cool thing is about these actual products is oftentimes if you actually go to add to cart, they'll have upsells and things like that. You know, yes, I'd like to add the advanced glute training video to my order for $3.99. And then even if you press paid now, right, probably they're gonna try to get you with more upsells and downsells. And you as the affiliate actually earn money on every single one of those upsells and downsells that they actually get you on selling, right? So how do you actually sell these products once you select one that has a good gravity score, meaning that it's actually making a lot of sales, so that you can guarantee that you're gonna make the most actual money for your time that you're actually gonna spend doing this. And so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come into Instagram right here where you can see that we typed in things like fitness, right? You can type in hashtag fitness. You can do fitness, you can do fitness motivation, fitness girl, fitness model, right? Things like that. The strategy that I have actually seen my students use and that I have used to use when I was first getting started is you have to understand what attracts attention on Instagram, right? We can all pretend that all these things are gonna work equally, or you know, you can actually just cut right to the chase. What attracts attention on Instagram is beautiful women, especially when you're actually talking about fitness. And so if I was doing this, a strategy that I would use is I would go find the most attractive Instagram models, right? The most attractive people who are actually, you know, having to do with fitness and things like that. And I would actually use their images. Of course, I would credit them and get them more followers, right? Every single image that I use from anyone's account, I would always, you know, tag them and credit them so that they actually get more followers out of it, right? But there's a lot of different Instagram pages that actually people create that are just basically collections and aggregations of, you know, very attractive men and women. And then they actually attract interest from other people once they make it to the explore page by posting these very attractive people onto, you know, their own Instagram to build their own following, bringing people to their actual Instagram page, right? So all you have to do is set up a very basic Instagram with a profile picture and things like that, and then just collect images of Instagram models and fitness models from all around Instagram. Every single time you post a picture, make sure you always credit that person so that you actually help build their followership. If anyone ever DMs you to take a photo down or something like that, obviously respect that and take those down. But most people will actually be grateful that you're posting their content so that you actually get it out to more people. And when you credit them, you actually help build their following, right? So a lot of people think that people will get mad, but if you credit people, then they actually, you know, you're doing them a favor because you're helping them grow their followership. So what I would do is I would go find the most attractive fitness models anywhere in the world, and I would just post picture after picture after picture, crediting them every single time, and that's going to attract attention of people. You are going to get, you know, people to like it. That's just how Instagram works. Beautiful women work better than anything attracting attention, pretty much in all realms of advertising, but especially on Instagram. So when people like those photos, they're going to visit your profile, and then you just fill out your profile and basically say, you know, the #1 program to get a bigger butt, right? Or the #1 program to basically, you know, unlock your glutes or whatever you want to try, right? As your actual bio, and then you basically say, click here, right? And when people click your link that you actually generated from ClickBank, what's going to happen is you're going to get paid every single time you make a sale. And so if you're consistent with actually building up your Instagram by posting this viral content that you've already seen proven, you know, throughout Instagram, leveraging extremely attractive, you know, fitness models, either men or women. And the thing is, guys, this works for anything. We just chose one random product on ClickBank. There's hundreds of other products that are proven and sell every single day that you can take advantage of using this strategy. All you have to do is, you know, if you picked another one like Survival Frog, Emergency Survival and Preparedness Gear Kit, then all I would do is I would go out there and I would actually look for like tactical flashlight pages, tactical pages and things like that. And I would do the exact same thing, right? I would take all of the most viral content, I would repost it, I would credit that person to help build their followership, and that's going to attract attention to your page. And then all you have to do is just make your bio basically say, you know, the #1 survival and preparedness kit, click here, exclusive sale today only or whatever, right? And they're gonna go to this page, and these pages are already designed to actually convert people, right? You don't have to create any of the websites. You don't have to do any of the fulfillment. All you have to do is drive traffic to these actual pages, and that is it, guys. And this strategy just simply works. You know, I've had a lot of students, you know, do this to start earning some money and then reinvest that money into things like Amazon FBA, social media marketing, Shopify, right? Creating a digital course, starting a YouTube channel, a lot of things. Because the thing is, guys, as an entrepreneur, there's 2 steps. The first step is you have to make enough money to do whatever you want and have enough free time so that you can actually go to step 2 and do things that you actually enjoy, find fulfillment from, and something that you can scale into like a 6-figure, 7-figure, or even 8-figure or beyond business. And as always, guys, we are gonna have our daily comment winner, who is Amritanch, who says, Kev, what do you use to edit and add animations for your YouTube videos? Well, when I first started, I was using a software called Camtasia. Now I'm lucky enough to have 2 amazing full-time videographers who use Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you want your comment to be featured on our next video, all you have to do is 2 simple things. Drop a like on this video and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells so that you'll be the first to know when we launch a new video, because we always pick a comment winner from people who comment in the first 60 seconds. So leave your comments down below and we will answer you. And if you like this strategy and you want to learn another amazing strategy to start earning money online, check out this video right here where we teach you how you can earn $300 or more per day just by typing names. I know it sounds weird, I'll prove it. See you there. I just made $300, or I could make up to $300 literally by typing names into a computer. And that might sound too good to be true, but stick around for this video because I'm gonna show you how